I'll show you how you can activate your Tello eMobile SIM. Now, from your iPhone, you can tap on Cellular on the settings here. After that, you can go ahead and tap on Add eSIM on the one on the bottom there. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and see this screen here, and you'll see it'll say Setup Mobile Services. On the Setup Mobile Services, you want to go ahead and tap on Use QR Code. Once you tap on that, you'll see you can scan the QR code. Scan the QR code you got from Tello. After that, you'll see this screen right here. Activate eSIM. Now, on here, you can just tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, it'll say activating. This might take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. Just wait it out. After it's activating, and then once it's done, you should see something like this. Cellular setup complete, and now your eSIM is now active on this iPhone. After that, that's it. You're done. Your Tello mobile eSIM will now be activated and you can start using it right away.